Un élément qui est très important au niveau.
In all our designs, the safety coefficient used is a very important part of our concept. In general, the safety coefficient used in the aircraft industry is 1.5. That is to say that if a part should be able to withstand a loading of 4 Gs, then it should not fail at less than 6 Gs. At DynAero, we decided to choose a much higher safety coefficient of 2.25. In fact, 1.5 times 1.5, or double the standard factor to ensure there will not be a problem over the life of the aircraft.
Jamais de problème en exploitation.
Speaking about safety, we have done what we can in the structure, but there is also the ballistic parachute. Unlike traditional parachutes worn by the pilot or passengers, the modern ballistic parachute is attached directly to the aircraft. In the event of a collision or other incident, there is the possibility to release the parachute, which is fired from the aircraft using a rocket. Providing the aircraft is above 200 meters, around 700 feet, the parachute can be fired and will open, slowing the aircraft's descent and holding the aircraft at a nose-down attitude to reduce the effect of impact. The descent speed is around 5 meters per second, or 1,000 feet per minute, corresponding to the descent speed of a conventional parachute. But the passengers and crew are additionally protected by the aircraft structure. During flight tests of an MCR-01 ULC, modified for aerobatic flight, the ballistic parachute was deployed in the most demanding conditions. During the test, the aircraft entered a violent and extremely rapid spin, making a turn in 2 seconds and spinning 15 times in total. From the beginning, I sensed this spin would be difficult to exit. I carried out all the conventional maneuvers to stop the aircraft spinning, to no effect. I had a safety altitude of 4,000 feet, and that height fired the parachute. I drew the handle, and within a second the parachute had deployed, opened, and I found myself drifting quietly down to a forest. In an aircraft, there is a pilot, and in many cases, passengers. Having a ballistic parachute fitted to an aircraft is enormously reassuring. In flights over hostile terrain, sea, deserts, etc., the pilot is able to conduct his flight with confidence, knowing that as a last resort, there is an ultimate means of help available.
Puis gérer son vol d'une manière beaucoup plus safe jusqu'à la fin, puisqu'il sait qu'en dernier recours, il a quand même un moyen de secours ultime.